Marazon adlaw sa ato tanan. Salamat for taking the time to join us today. We are here to report for the successful implementation of warrants of arrest against the multiple individuals, including Jorgeto Corpus Santisas, also known as Dato Adlaw, for the crime of usurpation of authority. Under Article 177 of the Revised Penal Code, the warrant issued by Honorable Judge Chua, acting presiding judge of the Municipal Trial Court in Branch 2, Surigao City, was lawfully served today, February 20, 2025 at around 6 in the morning in Purok 5, Barangay Sabang, Surigao City. This joint police operation was conducted through the collaborative efforts of Surigao del Norte Police Office, Provincial Police Office, the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group or the CIDG, RFU 13, and the PNP Special Action Force, the Surigao City Police Station, the 1st and 2nd Provincial Mobile Force Command, and the City Traffic and Management Office, the Integrity Monitoring and Enforcement Group of the Mindanao Field Unit, Office 13, and the City Social Welfare and Development Office. Their coordination and their dedication ensured that the operation was carried out safely and efficiently without commotion. As a result, 21 individuals were arrested and they are now under police custody, while there were additional 9 minors, 1 senior citizen, and 2 breastfeeding mothers were placed under the care of the CSWDO and now under medical checkup for appropriate assistance. Each accused was informed that the nature of their arrest. They were informed with their constitutional rights and the anti-torture warning in a language they fully understood. This operation is a testament to our firm and stand against unlawful activities that mislead or endanger our citizen. Surigao City will not tolerate any acts of deception, abuse of authority, or illegal activities that threaten public order and safety. We are committed for upholding justice, protecting our communities, and ensuring that the rule of law prevails. We appreciate and congratulate the hard work of our law enforcement agencies and the cooperation of the community for ensuring a peaceful and just society. We will now proceed with further details of the operation and will address my questions to anybody that you may have.
Additional details from Attorney Mariano Lukman, sir.
So, maayong buntag sa tanan o sa tigpaminaw kanang mga radio station. Kanang tag-serve ng PNP na warrant of arrest, isa ra na sa multiple complaints na tag-file na mo against dyan sa members ng federal. Actually, kung lang yan siya, usurpation of authority under Article 117 of the Revised Penal Code of the Philippines. There are remaining na mugawasay pa ng mga warrants of arrest against sa mga members na yan. And as a matter of fact, ato the other day, nag-serve pa gani kita ng subpoena katong 2 counts of large-scale illegal recruitment. Actually, that is not bailable. And katong qualified trafficking in person, the same not bailable. Just in case na ma-convict sila, that is tantamount to life imprisonment. At the same time, yung multiple violation of cybercrime law or sa Cybercrime Act of 2012. So, kadto siya. But may other pa siya, may mga criminal complaints na na-file na dili pa na igawas ang warrant. But initially, doon sa 12 na na-file nato na criminal complaints, 4 ang na-found out ng upat na ang na-resolve ng fiscal. Kadtong alarming scandal, I think grave coercion, saka usurpation of authority, saka kadtong I think sa physical injury. So yan, at katong initial na upat. So ang naigawas pa dun sa upat, kana pang sa usurpation of authority. So may kanyan siya, may corresponding na bail, 30,000 each sa kada member na na-include dun sa warrant of arrest. So mautang ko na mo dyan sa mga nadakpan nato diri sa na member ng federal.
We will now start the set of questions. Let's start with Benji Deliaran.
Okay. Direktamin din ako mapungutan kang Mayor. Mayor, beside nga daghan kayo ang mga himo ni Lourdes pag-horror sa imo ha. So, dili pa mga tao nga wa man kay himo nga action kay murag kalmado ra kay kaso unsa imong himong reaksyon nato nga gibadbaran ka ni Lourdes?
Well, actually, tanan mga jud jao may karapatan sa ila gusto panghimon pero ato tagpaubaya na mahimo nato ang due process kay kita na labi na jaon kita sa katungod sa gobyerno kitaan mas labaw na dapat mopailayom sa proseso ng balawd ang musa na grabe nako kadako na pasalamat na ang mga daghan ang mga naningkamot para gazud mahitagan ng due process and ma-implement an ato mga balaod diri sa syudad. So dako nako na pasalamat sa first of all sa ato police director si Colonel Warren Dablo, si ato chief of police si Colonel Mariano Lucban, ang ato PMFC na si Colonel Quadra, and of course ato CIDG and ato sa CSWDO na nag-assist na we ensured that the proper implementation ng ato warrant is followed and of course tanan sad mga threats against to any person or to even to community members and even to public officials that is ato John tag-agi sa due process.